In this video, I'm going to show you how to add references in LaTeX Overleaf. So what you want to do is first, once you're inside LaTeX Overleaf, you want to click on New Project up here. Now, you want to create a new blank project, or of course, if you already have a project, just continue from where you left off. We're going to create a new project and name it Reference. There we go. And then you want to press Create. And this will create you a project almost instantly. Now I'm going to delete this line saying introduction because we're not going to need it over here, and we're going to make a few blank lines so I can show you later what to do. And then I'm going to click recompile, so we now have a blank page, a part of this thing at top, of course, which doesn't really matter. Then the first thing you would have to do to add a reference is to click over here to where it says new file. You want to press this, give it a name, so let's say reference 1. This is going to be the first reference, dot, and you want to delete this and type in bib. So make sure the name can be anything you want, but it has to have the extension of .bib, okay? Otherwise this isn't going to work. Then what you want to do is click create, and that's it. You have yourself a reference. Now, once you've done this, you want to get a bibtex citation or bibtex reference. Now this may sound complicated, but it's actually not. Just open up a website or somewhere where you find your article. So in my case, it's going to be Google Scholar over here. As you can see, let me just put it in here. There we go. I typed in basketball inside Google Scholar, and over here, it automatically says cite, as you can see. Now I'm going to click cite and cite this first article, and it will give me a few options. What you want to do is click down here where it says bibtex. Click on it, and then it will open up this kind of blank website with this code over here. Simply copy all this, right click, copy, and then you want to come back inside your overleaf and just paste it into the first line of the reference.bib or whatever .bib you've just created, okay? Right click, paste, there we go. So we're done with this file over here. It automatically saves, you don't have to do anything, and we're going back to main, which is where we're going to continue. Now, the first thing you then want to do is write a line where you want to have the reference, of course. So let's say this is the reference I found. And then, of course, we're going to put the reference, and the way you do this is to kind of do the backslash, and then cite. By the way, if you wondered how to do the backslash, you want to hold down your Alt key on your keyboard and then click the 9 and the 2, one after another, on your numpad, so Alt plus 9, 2, and you'll get the backslash. Or just Google it, how you can do it in your keyboard. And then once you have this cite, what you want to do is add these brackets over here, and then it will automatically show you your reference we just have. So as you can see, the basketball reference from this reference we just added in here. You want to click on it, and then just simply press enter to open a new line. Now this should kind of change its appearance, as you can see, and that means it's working perfectly. What you then want to do, go down a few lines, however much you want, and then type another backslash, and then bibliography. So bib, and you can find it, bibliography, click on it, and it will automatically, as you can see, once you click in between of these two brackets, it will find your reference. You want to press it, and then again, that's it for this part. What you then want to do is go to one line previous to this one, which is going to be, of course, above it over here. And then what you want to do is type another and the last backslash, and then type in bib again, and look for bibliography style. You want to click this, and in between here, you want to type plain. So type in plain, and that's it. Leave this as it is, okay? Now, there we go. This is basically what you need to have in order for this to work, okay? And then what you want to do, if you click recompile, you will see that there will now be a reference. There we go. As you can see, this is the reference I found, it says, and then it says the references, and then the reference has been added. As you can see, the entire reference at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and you now know how to add a reference in Overleaf. And yes, if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.